Hi everyone, so today I have a product from First Base, which is COVID related. This is a virus transport media, and it's a 1 tons DPBS. So this is produced in Singapore, and currently it has already achieved HSA approval, and it's being used in Singapore for COVID testing. So for this DPBS, it comes with Phenol Red Indicator. This ensures that prior to use, researchers can actually make sure that, the testers can actually make sure that the contents are actually within the appropriate pH range. And furthermore, there's a very stringent procedure in producing this transport media, and it passes the USP 71 sterility test. So for users who are in overseas, the good news about this transport media is that this is room temperature stable. You do not need any cold chain, which will actually cost a lot more for you to actually transport it to overseas. And lastly, this is also RAVE compatible. So if you are using a RAVE system, we have already tested and validated that this is going to work with the instrument itself. So if there's any further questions, feel free to contact us via the link in the description below. And thank you very much for watching this video.